welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to fix Spotify. Something went wrong. If you're experiencing this bug, don't worry, we'll get it fixed today. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Play Store, and when you're on the main homepage of your Play Store, this works on the Apple App Store as well as the Google Play Store. You just want to search for Spotify, and then when you see it pop up in the list of recommendations, you want to tap onto it. And let's see where Spotify is. Okay, for some reason it's not showing up for me, but you will see Spotify in the list. And if you see that there is let me just pretend that one's Spotify. If you notice that there's an update available for the Spotify application, you want to now update Spotify. And then the next thing that you can do is go into the Spotify app. So search for Spotify on your phone, then open it up. And then I'm going to click on continue. And then you want to tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner. And then you want to tap on to settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll down until you get the option here, this option right here, data saving and offline. You can see it there. Tap on data saving and offline, then scroll down, and then you'll see the option there right at the bottom that says clear cache. You want to tap onto clear cache and then clear the cache just like that. And that's the first step. So now you can go back to the home page, and then what you want to do is open up the settings of your phone. Once you're on the main page of your settings, you want to scroll down until you get to apps. Tap onto apps. Now you can either scroll through the list right here to search for Spotify, or you can tap on the search bar at the top right hand corner and then type in Spotify. Okay, and then click on it. And then you want to move down into this list until you see storage. Then you want to tap onto storage, and then you'll see clear cache right here. You want to tap on clear cache and see if that fixes the problem. So now you can go out of your settings, you can go back into Spotify and see if that fixes the problem. And then another thing that you can do is restart your device. I suggest that you restart your device, and you can also open up Google and you can go to spotify.com. and what you can do is you can use Spotify, if it allows you to, through the web browser. You may need to go onto the top right hand corner and then go to desktop site, and here at the top right you'll be able to see the login button, and you can try work Spotify through the web browser if the app won't work. Okay, but the app should work now perfectly. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.